Okay, let's do one exercise and it will be better.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is now let's basically do one exercise, then let's see whether it's like, how much we are able to retain it. So in day 3, you have this file named as pivot exercise. Can you see that?
Yep.
Yeah, just open it. So what you need to do is, if you can scroll up. Yeah, this is the date of trans ID, date, place, product, display, quantity, and revenue. On right side, can you see it's there? Like, the questions are there.
Yep.
So I'll just brief you. It's like, I'll explain you the first question. The rest you can do of yourself. What was the value of the catalog sales for London in first quarter? So you have to apply the pivot, and catalog is in display. So we want catalog, we
Okay.
want place, we want date, and then revenue. So let's make a pivot and then see how it goes step by step. Uh, yeah. If you can basically copy paste the question over here so that you don't have to go to that sheet again and again. And what else we require? Date, place, display, and revenue. Yeah, we have to make date as quarter. So yeah, group. The option was group. Yeah. So what answer you are getting?
Um, 7810.
Yeah, 7810. Fine. Would like to tell you one more thing. You can just keep the cursor on cell A4. For better clarity, what you can do is you can drag the place to the filters. So come to the right side, come to the right side. You can just drag the place to the filters part. Just drag it. No, not over here, to the filters where it's been written the above the top. It's written filters, columns, rows, and you see it's written rows, filter. Yeah, over here. Fine. So what happened is on the cell A1 top, you'll get a filter, and whatever you're going to filter, it's showing you in the below thing.
Okay.
Okay. Other thing which you can do, I'll tell you one more thing. Fine. If you can just uncheck the display also. Okay. So There's the option, go to analyze, the above tab, the last tab, analyze, and the option is insert slicer. From insert slicer, choose display. And if you click on OK, you'll see, uh, click on any of the, this basically catalog store where became buttons. Can you see that?
Yep.
So this is a much clearer way out of the report. If you make a graph, also if you make a chart, it becomes a dashboard. So if you want to try, you can just make a chart also. If you make any changes in the slicer, can you see?
Yep.
Is it interesting?
Yep.
Okay. Now you can solve the rest of the question yourself. So this is like question number 1. The answer is 7810. You solve and let me know the answers one by one.
Okay. All right. For number 2, it's 45.
Okay. Have you filtered Tokyo? Tokyo web sales in quarter 4. What you got?
Yep.
See, it's not
Oh, quarter
45.
4.
It's quarter
60.
2. 60. Perfect. You can keep on writing and then I'll check together.
Okay.
So the answer is the total 60,996. If you can see the grand total. So the
But I
answer
want
for
it
the
by
fifth is
quarter.
when they're saying how many elephant polo stick, it means they want quantity. Instead of revenue, choose quantity. So if you're not able to see that list, you have to say right click, and go to show field list. You have to say right click and say show field list. The last option. Now instead of revenue, choose quantity. You can remove the revenue now. Okay, so basically 29 elephant polo sticks are there in New York. Is it okay?
Yep.
is it's well done, Monique. You are able to, as you have done for the first time, and all answers are correct. Very nice.
Nice.
Yeah,
This is fun.
this one.
Yeah.
Not able to see your dog.
she's a corn. She's a wacko.
Uh,
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, puppy?
okay, so basically we are done with this pivot exercise,
Okay.
and we'll be making one dashboard also, but in between we have to do one more exercise. So if you can just open the mail which I sent it to you today.
This one.
And yeah, open assignment two.
Been assignment.
Let's do assignment two now. The mail which I have sent it to you, exercise file. Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. So basically, you got the bonus. You have used if or and or and together, and if and also together. Yeah. You can go to the next sheet now.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you have one condition, sum if, count if you have two conditions, sum if.
Okay.
Go to the next sheet. And what are the filters? You have to apply multiple filters. So I want two filters on above also and on below also. Mm, let's have a total row as well. Yeah, perfect. Good job.